Guru Nanak Sahib was highly fascinated from Sant Kabir. Therefore, he has referred lot of verses of Sant Kabir in Guru Granth Sahib. I remember when I was in school, there was a famous verse. दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे, तो दुख काहे को होए? It means everyone worships Khuda, God in pain. But do not worship God, Khuda in happiness. The person who worships God, Khuda in happiness, he will never suffer.
Viewers, you just heard the views of Muslim religious spokesman Dr. Zakir Naik. And now let's hear the views of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Dr. Zakir Naik Ji spoke a verse of God Kabir Ji, Allahu Akbar. It is from Suksham Ved, which God Himself speaks when He descends in body. It is called true knowledge. It is the voice of true knowledge. दुख में सुमरन सब करें, सुख में करे ना कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे, तो दुख काहे को होए. These words are of Suksham Ved. Who does it indicate to? To those who worship complete God, Allahu Akbar, and they even worship God in prosperity. Everyone worships in sorrow, and God blesses the one in misery and makes him happy, but no one worship in joy. If they will worship in prosperity, then they will never suffer. This is absolutely correct. This is the law of complete God, Allahu Akbar. I will show you. Hazrat Muhammad Ji was a noble soul. A rich lady, Khadija, who was very rich, got married to Hazrat Muhammad Ji. They had no misery at that time. By age of 40, they had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters. Hazrat Muhammad Ji was worshipping the narrator of Quran Sharif, considering him as Allahu Akbar, but he is not Allahu Akbar. In Quran Majid, Surat Furqani, chapter number 25, ayat number 52 to 59, the narrator of Quran Sharif clarifies that the one who created the entire universe in 6 days is Allahu Akbar, Allah Kabir. He created the entire universe in 6 days and sat on throne on the 7th day. Ask about him from an enlightened saint, from a Tattvadarshi saint, I do not know. Had he known, he would have made one more ayat. It's proved that the knowledge giver of Quran Sharif does not have information regarding Allahu Akbar and advises to worship him. By mistake, Hazrat Muhammad Ji considered the narrator of Quran Sharif as Allahu Akbar and worshipped him in prosperity and suffered a lot. He had 3 sons, all dear to him. All 3 died in front of his eyes. Such a person can never be happy, no matter whatever he says. The reason was that he did not get the worship of Allahu Akbar. If you worship Allahu Akbar in happiness, then there can be no misery in life, and even the ones who take refuge in misery will also attain salvation. Hazrat Muhammad Ji's life became hell. He died at the age of 63. He used to faint, so the narrator of Quran Sharif is a dummy god. Incomplete God. Complete God is Allahu Akbar. Allah Kabir, He is Kabir Paramatma, Kabir God. This slave has his way of worship. Come and get your well-being done. All those who worshipped Allahu Akbar were blessed. I will show you, and currently also they are getting benefits. They are worshipping Allahu Akbar. who can never face any misery like the way Hazrat Muhammad ji suffered a lot. And how did he die? Shame on such worship. It's not worship, and he is not God who can't even protect this much. With this, it's proved that whole Muslim community, instead of worshipping Allahu Akbar, is worshipping the dummy God. The true way of worship of that complete God, Allahu Akbar, Paramakshar Brahm, is available with the slave. Come and get your well-being done and get salvation.